Hey everyone, if AnyDesk file transfer is not working, files are failing to send, or the transfer keeps getting interrupted, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get file transfer working again. First, make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. A file transfer needs a strong and consistent connection to work properly. Next, restart AnyDesk on both devices and also restart your computer or phone. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches that can interrupt file transfer. Make sure the file is not too large or corrupted. I mean, very large files or damaged files can cause transfer failures. Check that the receiving device has enough storage space. So, if storage is full, file transfer will fail instantly. Make sure the file is not restricted or blocked by the system. You know, some files require permission before they can be shared. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can block file transfers. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help identify the issue. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause file transfer compatibility issues. If the file transfer tool fails, try drag and drop instead. So sometimes alternate transfer methods work better. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the remote session. I mean, fresh connections can fix temporary transfer errors. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. Yeah, this can fix corrupted file transfer components. If you're still having issues, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify deeper system or network-related problems. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk file transfer failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.